Hello everyone, we are from Sekolah Indonesia Kuala Lumpur. My name is Sultan.
I'm Parvez.
And I'm Naufal.
We are from Team Saplings, and today we're going to present our project, a home hydroponic farming system all controlled by an application called Acreage. It is an app that provides useful utility for your home hydroponic farming system.
With the constant growth of the world's population and ever-increasing demand for housing and food, a large percentage of the Earth's landmass is dedicated to building infrastructure to support these demands. Farms, and plantations in particular, are essential to supply food demands for a large population. However, they require a lot of space, which in some cases means forests and fields have to be torn down to make room, leading to deforestation and the destruction of natural habitats. While thinking about it, we asked ourselves, why don't we make our own farms? I mean, surely there has to be a way to grow enough food without destroying nature. Now, traditional farms take up a lot of space and can be inefficient or unrealistic for those living without substantial fertile soil, such as in apartment buildings. To bypass this issue, people have resorted to hydroponics as a way to plant crops in a small amount of space, using nutrient-filled water instead of soil. But what if you have to leave your farm unattended for a long period of time? What if something happens? How will you manage your farm then? That's where Acreage comes in.
Acreage is a system consisting of two modules, input and output, and also an application that connects to the system via Wi-Fi. The Acreage application communicates with the main system using Firebase, an app development platform. Firebase acts as the server, constantly sending and receiving data to and from the application and the main system. This data consists of measurements of environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, etc., and also commands from the application to the main system to respond to these factors.
So basically, after all the required modules are implemented into the hydroponic farm system, they all then can be activated and connected to the main server. In the app itself, there are some tabs with a certain user that can help the user to monitor and control the overall system with the tips of their fingers. As we can see here, we have the monitor. And then around the hardware side, there is one module that will act as the input sensor, which is on the right, for all the required variables around the farm. And the other one, which is in the left, will act as like an output action executor, where it will run a certain program function to show the activated button on the app. So as we can see here, when the sensor is basically triggered, the value gradually change while also updating the current value on the app itself. And then when the button is being turned on, the hardware will do a specific action based on the button function. And then yes, we can see here some of the output module here already works as just like the adjustment button here being turned on. And then we still have one more function left, adjustment function button here, which is the auto mode function. This is basically a program that will have the function to detect what action are needed for a specific condition value received from the input sensor. Basically, the access of program that will determine around the status, whether the heat is normal or not, and then if something actually happens, it will determine a specific action actually suited for the specific value that it get received. As we can see here, during the water level is actually high, it's going to restart the rewatering program again, removing the water and then turning on the pump, and then next one it open the sky cover. Yeah, and we can see the light is being turned on because the light level is low. Moving on, there are still some issues and improvement that we would like to address in the future. Firstly, we would like to increase the variety of sensor used on the main system so that later on we can track more information useful to maintain a successful hydroponic farm. Secondly, since the overall project is still running around the virtual and digital program as of right now, in the near future we hope to build our project in real life, in reality, to further develop it into full working product, and this project hopefully will be successful in the upcoming future.
We hope that Acreage could help make hydroponic farming easier and more reliable, so that the idea of farming and growing your own food at home does not sound so far-fetched, even in a densely populated urban environment such as a city. We are from Team Saplings.
And that's all from us.
Hope you have a nice day and thank you for your time.